Distributing. I want to show you exactly what the problem I'm having with your barrel. Now you will notice that how the slide is riding forward. You can see it in the back of the slide here, and you can see it up front here with where the recoil rod and spring assembly is situated. Now it runs fine with standard hollow points and flat tips, but you will notice I am not using that as my carry round. This is what I'm carrying. It is the Glazer Powerball and 135 grain bullet, and these still, after you polished the ramp and chamber, do not feed. And you can see what's happening in there. This is a barrel that is not to spec, and I can prove that. Let's drop that, back, lock it, hit the little decocking lever, take that muzzle, thread protector off of there. Notice here, no effort whatsoever to pull that recoil assembly out. Pull out the barrel, put the stock barrel in, put it in. No, not a little more effort required there. Slide back on. There we go. Lock that back into place. Drop that slide, and you will see that that slide is flush with the rear of the frame. The recoil rod assembly is flush with the front of the slide where it's supposed to be. Reload that, and that chambers the round just fine. Your barrel is broken. Get back to me so we can get this fixed. Thank you.